How to install Wawp Plugin Pro. To begin installing the professional version of Wawp, you can do so via our official website, wawp.net. You can download the full version and upload it to your site, or simply upload the Wawp Remote Updater, which is under 50 kilobytes in size, to install the plugin directly or update it later. To get started with the first step, go to your site, then navigate to Plugins, Add New. Next, upload the lightweight updater file. I'll be using it during this tutorial as well, since it is genuinely faster. Then I'll click the Install Now button and watch the magic happen. Now, after installing the Wawp Updater, we can download the latest version in just 1 second. Simply click the Install button for the latest version at the top of the list. A confirmation dialog will appear. Simply click the Confirm and Install button. In just a few moments, the full professional version of Wawp will be downloaded and automatically activated on your site, saving you valuable time. And as you can see, now that it's complete, you'll be redirected straight to the Wawp dashboard to start using it.